In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wix email to your Gmail account. Before you connect anything, there are two important things you need to have ready. First, you need a Wix website with a connected custom domain. Second, you need a Wix business email subscription, which is powered by Google Workspace. If you do not already have that set up, start by going to Wix.com and signing into your Wix account. Once you are logged in, open your dashboard, then go to Settings and select Business Email. From there, choose a Google Workspace plan that fits your needs and complete the purchase. This is the foundation for the rest of the process because your Wix business email works through Google's email system. After purchasing, the next step is to activate your business email. Wix will guide you through a setup wizard, and this is where you create your custom business email address using your domain. Follow the prompts carefully and complete the activation process. Keep in mind that it may take a little time for the mailbox to become fully available, so if it does not work instantly, give it a few moments and try again. Once your email is active, go to Gmail and sign in using your Wix business email address and its password. Since Wix business email is powered by Google Workspace, you usually do not need to manually configure IMAP or SMTP settings. That makes this process much simpler than connecting a traditional third-party mailbox. After you sign in, take a moment to verify that everything is working properly. Check that you can receive emails, send emails from your custom domain address, and use Gmail features like labels, search, and spam filtering. This confirms that your account is fully connected and functioning as expected. If you would rather manage this business email alongside another Gmail account, there is also an optional method. Open Gmail, click the settings gear icon, and choose See All Settings. Then go to the Accounts and Import tab. Under Check Mail from Other Accounts or Send Mail as, add your Wix business email account if that option is available for your setup. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish. In many cases though, signing in directly with your business email is still the easiest option. Finally, test the account by sending a message from your business email to a personal email address, and then send one back from the personal address to your business email. If both emails arrive successfully, your setup is complete and your Wix email is now connected through Gmail.